Australia is an outwardly meritocratic society that features the potential for social flexibility and egalitarian ideals. The historical narrative, as well as existing social class research literature, indicates a gradual shift from the hierarchical class structures of the colonial period and early 20th century towards a system of greater social mobility. Previously, the lower class, middle class, and upper classes were well defined by features such as value orientation, geographical location, types of employment, and household income levels. There was a clear distinction between individuals and communities of blue-collar working classes and white-collar middle and upper classes. However, the traditional understanding of rigid stratification is no longer applicable in the current climate of globalization and individualistic entrepreneurship, which has led to the merging of the working and middle classes due to a blurring of the importance of the cultural capital and status with the modern prevalence of material capital. Our research proposal is based on an investigation into the current structures of social class in Australia. In particular, research will be conducted into the increasingly indistinguishable working and middle classes, with the goal of better defining the characteristics of these traditional social classes in modern Australia. The research will also examine the emergence of the precariat as a distinct class, as well as the role of precarious employment and small self-ownership in modern understandings of social classification. Our research will utilise an open-ended, semi-structured interview and written survey structure with 100 consenting participants of a diverse range of ages, genders and ethnic identities across various Sydney suburbs in order to gather effective and accurate qualitative data of the current social setting. The interviews will last between an hour and 90 minutes and consist of approximately 50 questions which are divided into several sections: social class indicators, family background, occupation and income, demographic variables, and experiences in the workforce. These questions will be asked of participants in order to gain a greater understanding of the intersection of imposed class identities with the present reality of flexible social positioning and less distinction between the working and middle classes. We believe our study is important to reduce social imbalance and provide a better quality of life for the middle class.